हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू इन्फॉर्मेशन फॉर विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड यूट्यूब चैनल। हमारे इस यूट्यूब चैनल पर आप सभी को मिलते हैं फुल्ली एक्सेसिबल टॉक बैक के साथ टेक्नोलॉजी, जॉब अलर्ट से संबंधित नई अपडेट्स। इन नई अपडेट्स को पाने के लिए चैनल को कीजिए सब्सक्राइब और पास में बने बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके कीजिए ऑल पे सेट, ताकि आपको मिल सके हमारी वीडियो की सबसे पहले अपडेट। तो कंटिन्यू वॉचिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन फॉर विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड यूट्यूब चैनल।
Hello friends, welcome to Information for Visually Impaired YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss SSC CHSL result 2019. Staff Selection Commission had declared the result of Tier 2 of Combined Higher Secondary 10+2 level examination 2019 on 30th September 2021, where a total of 28,508 students were shortlisted for appearing in typing test only, as no vacancies were available for the post of DEO. Based on the cutoff fixed by the Commission in the skill test, typing test, a total of 13,088 candidates have qualified to appear in document verification. The cutoff percentage that is determined by the Commission for VH is 10, and for the same, candidates are available as 130. All qualified candidates are required to appear in the document verification. The schedule for conduct of document verification will be available on the respective websites of the regional offices of the Commission shortly. Shortlisted candidates may visit website of the respective regional offices of the Commission regularly for further updates. The above said list are purely provisional and subject to the candidates fulfilling all the eligibility conditions prescribed for the respective post in the notices of examination, and also subject to thorough verification of their identity with reference to their photographs, signatures, handwriting, etc. on the application forms, admission certificates, etc. Details of percentage of the candidates in typing test will be uploaded on the Commission website on 9th March 2022. Candidates may log in by using their registered ID and password. This facility will be available from 9th March 2022 to 31st March 2022. Thank you friends, and all the best for your future.